if we can win if we change up the stat.
9 seconds!
Go, 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 go.
Go, Prima! Scroll, scroll! Ay, wala pala. Di pala to GL. Natawa eh.
No, not gonna take the drops. Take it.
We're gonna take
If we're the first one to arrive at the center, extend your positions so that we can block it off. Zhao is getting the Dracula.
X6 block them.
Your mission starts here, Hex.
Block them. Zhao, kill Zhao.
Nandito na si Zhao. Bitch.
Zhao died.
Eh, yung Mikay.
Zhao died.
Zhao got resoed. Lockdown.
1GX killing backline.
Killing Zhao again. Zhao died, yes.
Okay. GX done, thank you.
Take the bulk. We're gonna pressure them. X6, come.
Where am I going?
Zhao repels you. Okay.
I have.
Rotate. Anywhere first, anywhere.
We're gonna pressure them here. Nice.
Agree.
Reso. Ay.
Reso.
Gonna fight them.
Random reso.
I'm gonna go to the other side, 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock, okay.
Okay, everyone, left side. Left
Incoming
side of the map. Left side of the map.
Got.
Palapit na si Zhao. Kasalubong si Zhao.
They got light. Wipe them. They got
Charot lang, 1 o'clock.
Yeah, we gonna hold them here. Go. I hope I don't die though.
Stop, heal me, stop.
Gago.
We're gonna fight.
I'm gonna lose it.
We got it.
Nelo got it.
Okay.
Guys, disengage. We don't have the horn.
We have pincer position.
We're gonna go to the other side.
And they don't have skills.
Incoming on the team.
Who's the one taking the water element?
Zhao.
Ako.
Sige.
Wait.
Kailangan ka na namin dito eh, pero sige.
We got pincered.
Wala, namatay ako.
Nasapak ko yung horn pero like 25 damage.
Nice.
Iuna.
Kill, ikol.
Oh wait, Zhao is behind the...
Nice one yun na.
X6 come here.
Yun na going 11 o'clock.
Tango. Nice, FS died.
May parating.
Poison forever is here now.
Nice one.
I can't regroup, we got
Sunod
locked
lang,
down.
kill. Saan ka?
Hex, even if we have the horn, you just
Sakit mort.
follow it
X come.
and delay the chasers.
Wait, I'm gonna reso.
Ay, puta.
Run.
Sakit.
Why am I not seeing the endings? I have 340 players max.
Zhao party here.
Blanche at the back.
We're gonna play with them.
X is holding. Can someone rest?
Copy. Ako na. Okay na, clear na.
Thanks.
We need to regroup. Eris, we need to regroup.
Ano, holder?
I'm gonna reso to
Sa ibang
the
tablet.
respawn.
1 o'clock.
Nagteleng holder.
Yun na. Group call.
Group call. So,
He used equal earlier.
Cool down.
CD.
Kanina nag-ano eh.
Namatay na si Yuna.
Namatay na.
Habol.
Gamit.
We're on a bad position for
Point
the
na
horn
yun,
for the meantime, but the elementals are closer.
We're gonna...
Let's go elemental, guys. Let's go elemental.
Copy.
There go.
Yeah. Let
And then
them
once
for
we
a
go,
bit, and then rush horn.
My party will intercept.
once we take elemental, go for na.
Gonna intercept them here. I think they're going to
Feel si Zao ng Earth.
do this upper top.
May ano,
Okay, intercept.
nag-epic class ako, putang ina.
Two parties. 3 parties.
Kokotek is on the fire lord Another high DPS.
Uy, si
Oh, hindi ko pa
Putek.
napatay. Nasa
Oh,
Earth pa
I
rin
think-
si Zao.
They don't have any other altar aside from the lower left side. So after this one, go to the lower left area. Lower left.
Lower left.
Ambush at 6 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Going to the outer.
Okay, one punch in.
The horn doesn't have defenders, guys.
The horn has still defenders lang, guys.
Gonna intercept. Oh my god.
Oh no, lag.
Did we get it?
Nag-Kiko, nagtele.
Ay, so.
Run.
Upper left.
Mali ang nakasalubong.
Nice, Suprema.
Run.
Nago natin. Mata.
Nice. Oh, nakuha natin. Nakuha mo.
Guys, intercept at 12 o'clock.
Copy.
They're gonna go to the right side.
You're going to the upper right corner altar. Intercept at 12 o'clock.
Oh, shit,
Dami
Prima.
din.
Dami nila. Hindi ko kaya.
Si Poison.
I still got the horn.
But I don't-
Okay na.
I don't think they have talent.
Prima.
Takbo na.
Nice
I
game,
can.
Denso. Ay, nakuha.
Ice cream is tie, guys. Ice cream is tie.
Ay, nakuha.
They got it.
Punta
They
tayo
got
sa
it, they got it.
Tumatakbo.
We are near.
Namatay.
Horn half life.
Killing it.
I was able to get a punch in.
I get control position. I died again.
Itong Poison forever.
Oh my
Clear the spawn area. Can't chase.
Fenrir.
They're picking us off. Fenrir 1 minute. I think we better go Fenrir. We still have a 200k gap to spare. Let's focus on Fenrir, guys.
The horn is
Party will...
went to a dead altar.
Yeah, they went to the other.
Guys, 46 seconds. Fenrir now.
So delayed.
Okay. Yuna got the horn.
Nandito si Zao.
Yuna,
Delay them. Delay them. We're not gonna join. We're gonna
We're
go
not gonna
to
join
here.
Fenrir. We're gonna join Fenrir. Yuna,
Ay.
go here. Go to the center after that altar. Salubungin mo kami.
Come.
If we secure Fenrir, that means they cannot get Fenrir. And if we have it, then no matter how easy they take it from us, we can retake it with Fenrir buff.
Madami, ganun talaga.
Or if they got the Fenrir, they're gonna take it easy from us.
Go fight.
Prima, dumadami sila sa Penret. Potang ina nyo.
Ba't ako nakikigo?
GX don't stay in the center, just lurk the back line, the outer circle of the Fenrir.
Ayok.
Yan na,
Dami
Prima.
nyo.
FYHX. GX. Okay.
Oh shit.
Reso, hit.
Where's my darling?
Near you.
Ilag, saan
Boss,
ka?
ano pala ako?
Prima namin
Kaka-respawn ko lang.
Dami sa side mo.
Wala si Zao, nasa kanya yung ano.
15.
Wala ako namatay eh.
Ang dami na. Ang dami na.
Nice,
Wala bang
nice.
ano?
Ay, naku,
How do I use this though?
Ano yung isang friend rin eh.
Vince, alam mo na.
Ano na?
Kill poison. Nice.
Tara, punta tayo doon.
How do I use this?
You will transform into Stormy Knight. And then, whatever skill you have, one hits the horn.
Nakuha ba? Natin yung
Where's
victory?
the horn
Oo,
right
nakuha.
now? I don't see the
Zhao,
horn.
Zhao is the horn.
Upper left, upper left, upper left.
Upper left. I'm disconnected, guys.
Yes,
Ikaw.
Obli drop if you can. Obli drop. Ay, I think Itele.
Everything.
Itele, lower left. Lower right, lower right. Itele.
Si Prima.
Grabe yun.
Dali, nandali. Wala yung skill ko.
Okay na.
Tara.
Horn is vulnerable, guys. It doesn't have group summon.
Fenrir, only 60%.
Puta, patay na naman ako. Dami nila.
I got it.
Sige, takbo lang.
It's not auto hit though. Got it.
Diba?
Ako na ni yun.
Tara. Punta natin si
Where am I?
I killed Joe's FS Doreso for you, my friend.
7 o'clock?
Oh no.
Go 7 and then go 11. 7 and 11.
Okay. Copy 7-11.
Layo kay Boss Ed. Ang dami nakaharap dito.
Sige lang. Takbo lang. Lamang tayo.
Elemental.
I have burns here. And I
Enemies here, but Nena died.
Namatay ako. Shit.
I need you guys to front me.
Papunta pa lang ako.
Sorry.
Hex is here. Hex is here.
I died.
Mabuhay ka, boss.
Wala.
So, ulit
Wala pa.
nakakuha. Tangina.
Zhao is horn.
Na ano ka, Prima.
Waiting, Zhao.
Stun
I got
na
free hit on
pang
Zhao. I
nagsasabi.
am.
Pandahasan.
What is the tell again? It's on cooldown.
Second to the last.
Cooldown.
Patay na naman ako.
Should I summon?
Walk. Just summon na lang. Summon everyone so that someone can defend you.
Even if you die, we can retake the horn.
Ay,
Yeah. Gonna run a bit.
Pabalik na ako.
Guys, I'm just gonna rotate.
Rapid march is cooldown.
Everything is on cooldown on my end. I got tele.
But you don't have
Bait them first.
I already
sure
pressed
that
it.
You already tele.
Yeah, already pressed it. Good luck. I'm
Go rush.
gonna rotate to you guys. Walk on the left side, don't walk on the right side. Walk on the
Sa
left
likod
side.
mo lang ako, boss ah.
I'm ako in the left.
Yeah, to the left. Okay, protect me.
Where's the next altar?
I'm gonna
Puta,
go to the long
tinabol ako
run.
ng ano. Putang
I'm
mga pare
low
ito,
HP
binatak
though,
ako.
so I will run. I'll just run.
Reflect mo, heal.
May namatay naman, boss. Kaso,
The
Binata ko
sniper
ng
on
Wonder,
should be healing you a little.
Incoming the right side. Should I give them?
Just try to hold it as long as possible.
Yeah.
Horn point is very heavy.
Okay. Crossover.
gabi nga.
Go south. Go south 7 o'clock.
Even if you die from that damage, that's better than
Zhao is here. Oh. Zhao took it. Nice.
Zhao can easily take it.
I was low HP, like 1 hit.
They summoned here, ah. Hex, where are you?
I got one punched in. One fully charged GOH is like 25%.
I'm gonna take it to Zhao again. Oh my god. Ikot.
Ang dami dito ah.
Papa will kill that guy.
Guys, the horn is pulling away with no bodyguards.
Tara, abang tayo dun sa kabilang tower. Heal.
Guys,
Teka
rotate.
lang. Teka lang.
Gonna hold them here.
Nakabang pa dito yung
Dali.
mga DPS.
Dali, but still near us.
On the right side, we can go there.
We can
We can
catch up.
rush. We can pincer.
Go.
Ang dami pa naman natin dyan.
Our gap is is closing only 500k.
Fenrir guys. I think.
Safety got it. Safety, redemption time!
Run!
No, it's not yet. 4 minutes. They got it again. They got it again.
Sino pumatay sa akin?
Wait, JP got it again.
GX?
Wait, JP is still.
Yung GX?
No, it's poisoned forever already.
Nakuha na
On
ulit.
my screen, it's 2.
Ah, patay na naman. Ano yun?
Famous ang ka.
Group summon.
Off-lead drop! Nag-group summon!
Someone took it. They group summon.
Yeah, they group summon.
Nakaano ko. Prima.
Fenrir for those that are nearby.
Yeah, Fenrir.
Because-
Those who are not here.
No, because everyone is on the horn. Fenrir is open.
Go.
I need an advance party on the altar on the lower left.
Prima?
Lower left altar. Because if they will tell you that's the only altar active right now.
Horn free.
Oh, nakuha
Thanos
na.
has the horn. Thanos has the horn.
Run, Panda, run!
I'm running. Oh my god.
At si Panda.
Wait.
Clear the responders, guys.
Wait lang, Prima. Nagpapag ako.
Oh, we have it already.
Yeah.
Wala akong... Hindi ako makakas.
Hold them.
Who has the horn? You guys keep saying
Our
I
Thai
see
friend.
that
The
Thanos.
high
Si
person.
Thanos.
Noodles.
Okay.
Ah, Thanos, yeah. I don't know his name.
Tara, heal. Takbo.
Sige boss, natakbo ako boss. Ang dami ka
Kill
laban sa
the
likod.
planch guy.
2 attackers on horn.
Thanos to the snap.
Teleported.
You can summon us.
10 o'clock. I
Wait,
think there's a
Fenrir
lot.
is still alive.
Thanos, try pressing all the skill. You need to summon us.
Si
Kuha nila.
Move upwards.
Nakuha nila.
Towards 12 o'clock.
Fenrir guy.
Nakuha ba nila? Thanos ka rin sa akin.
Wala pa.
Kill the Fenrir.
Hindi, nakuha nila yung Fenrir. Yung Fenrir.
Ay.
Ah, Fenrir pala.
SK though.
They have the Fenrir.
We killed the Fenrir.
Transform sa gitna yung Fenrir.
Ay, lakas na yun.
Yung
The
escape.
Fenrir
yung
died.
nasa
I
gitna.
mean the holder.
Kasi Neno.
If you see Stormy Knight, prio kill Stormy Knight.
He died already.
Ay,
Okay.
iba na.
Gonna regroup na.
Go lower left. Lower left.
Ano pa
They
yun?
will teleport there, I'm sure.
Grabe GX.
Teleport is on cooldown.
Tara, heal.
It's on cooldown.
Pinatay ako ng GX.
Kaya nga, balik agad.
Yun.
Go. We still have 400k. Yep.
Oh, they group summon.
I will wait here.
Keep
Ay, shit,
pressure
ang
lang.
sakit nila.
Yung
Ang
pressure
sakit.
them.
Biglang ang daming
Nag-group
tao.
summon.
Oo, nag-group summon. Ang sakit.
Diyan ka,
Time
push
check
left.
guys, 1 minute.
Dito ako sa kabila.
Gagi,
At
200
least
na lang.
200k gap for the horn holder. Final horn holder. Final horn holder is 200k.
Guys, you can do it, guys.
Alright. Oh.
We're 300k gap. 300k gap.
Zhao is on us. So we're gonna hold them here. Where is the where is
Can push. Yes or no?
We're trying.
Push.
Sige, hindi sila
Oh, shit,
makalabas.
pumatay ako.
Pilit nila lumabas.
Wait lang.
Oh, imuhasin. Tali.
Tele.
Katili, tanga
Go.
mo.
Pindot ka, pumindot ka na kahit ano.
Pindot lang, kahit ano, pindutin mo.
Shield.
Sige.
Napatay ka namin.
Nice.
Nice.
Gago, ano yun?
Go, go,
Andre?
go.
Takbo. Run to the right. To the right.
Kasi kinukuha mo ako eh.
To the right. Run in. To To the right, just to the
19
right.
seconds.
Panalo
18
na, panalo na ba?
To the right, to the right.
15 seconds.
Panalo?
Parang GG. Parang GG. GG Zhao.
Nalo, puta.
First time.
So, good night everyone.
Si Helio nag-good night na.
Good night, everyone.
Good job, good job, good job.
Ay, si Imo na naman.
Imo, tapon no? Tapon si Imo.
May-
Tapon Imo,
may-
200, ano, 322.
Receive.